Last time on When I Sneeze.
Why do I always get naked? 2. Why am I in a crib? 2. Why do I always end up in this dark place? I'm starting to hate this dark place. 2. Oh, great. I'm in normal world. I don't have any pants. Son of a...
2 months later.
Oh, hey, sir. 2. Okay, I'm a dog that looks exactly like Scooby-Doo. 2. Oh, God. I'm in a high place. Oh, crap. That really hurt me. 2. Oh, great, I'm in 1911. Typical. 2. Oh, God, I am in a movie. Oh, God, that guy has a gun. Ha! Miss me. 2. Oh, God, again with the same dark place. 2. Oh, I changed shirt. Didn't notice that. Oh. Hello guys, my name is Cocky 2.0, and in today's video, we're gonna... Oh, Carlos, what are you doing here? Oh, you were doing a video? I'm so sorry. Get out! Okay, I'll get out. So rude. 2. Oh, I'm in Minecraft world. Well, I'm gonna check if I have some armor or whatever. Well, let's go. Oh crap. There's a skeleton. Oh well, might as well sneeze. Let's go.